In this video, we're going to be ordering numbers from least to greatest. So if you have a problem like this, and it asks you put these numbers in order from least to greatest, you need to figure out which number goes first, which number goes second, which number goes third. So one way to do it is you could count in your head and figure out which one comes first. But another way to do it is you could take a look at this number line. And usually when you look at a number line, the way you read it is this way, the way the arrow goes. So the first number is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. You know that 1 is less than 2 because it comes before 2. So for these three numbers, 14, 16, and 19, let's circle them. Here's 14, here's 16, and here's 19. So we know that 14 comes first in this sequence of numbers because it's first on the number line. So let's go and move the 14 and put them in order. Let's shuffle these so we have them in order. So we know 14 comes first. So then 16 is the one that comes next. So we know that one is going to be next. So let's move that in order. Then 19 comes next. So let's go and pick that one up and put it last because that one is the greatest. And that's the answer to this problem. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. Just rewind the video and watch it again.